Hello everyone, welcome to my official YouTube channel and thanks for watching this telecast again. Well, thanks for being with me again. Since last 2 days we are looking at how this corona pandemic is going to impact. Uh, what is the overall impact is going to be. Now I'm going to discuss about 8 to 10 areas where the most of the impact will be. Now what are these 10 impact areas I'm going to discuss with you. The first impactful area is going to be there will be more impact on businesses where there is travel or travel related activities are involved. If you have many people traveling for you to carry on the business or आपके लोग अगर यहाँ से वहाँ जाना उसके लिए ज़रूरी है तो there is going to be more impact. Now start thinking about how to replace that. So travel related is the first area where there is going to be impact. Then second thing is there is going to be a lot of unemployment. So insecurity काफ़ी बढ़ने वाली है. More people will be available. So you'll have to really think how to cope up with this. Mm, how to cope up with this unemployment issue. देन जिनके भी बिजनेस में मोर देन वन मोर पीपल गैदरिंग का ज़रूरी है तो दे विल हैव टू रियली गेट द इम्पैक्ट देर इज़ अ इम्पैक्ट ऑफ लॉस ऑफ ट्रस्ट ऑन हाइजीन. पीपल विल नॉट ट्रस्ट हाइजीन वेरी इजीली, तो उसके ऊपर भी इम्पैक्ट होने वाला है. सो इफ़ योर बिजनेस इज़ लाइक रेस्टोरेंट्स और ट्रैवल और कुछ गैदरिंग्स में है तो you'll have to really think about how you will win the trust of your customers with regards to the hygiene. Then conflicts and tension level are going to be really very high after this. छोटी छोटी चीज़ों के ऊपर लोगों का इरिटेशन बाहर आने वाला है. छोटी छोटी चीज़ों के ऊपर people are going to enter into conflicts. So कम्युनिकेशन एंड जो है वो सबके साथ कम्युनिकेट होना, बिकॉज सी देर इज़ लॉट ऑफ देर काफ़ी सारे अनसर्टनटी के साथ लोग डील करने वाले हैं. पेमेंट्स के बारे में कॉन्फ्लिक्ट होगा, ऑर्डर्स के बारे में कॉन्फ्लिक्ट होगा, डिलीवरी टाइम के बारे में कॉन्फ्लिक्ट होगा. तो उसके लिए ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कम्युनिकेशन क्लियर एंड क्रिस्प कैसा रहेगा इसके बारे में भी आपको सोचना ज़रूरी है. देन होम डिलीवरी अगर ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कर सकते हो आप, जो भी प्रोडक्ट जहाँ भी पॉसिबल है, तो यू विल हैव अ गुड टाइम हियर आफ्टर. और जिनका वो प्रोडक्ट होम डिलीवरी नहीं हो सकता है, दे विल हैव टू रियली बी रेडी टू टेक द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ दैट. क्योंकि लोग आसानी से बाहर नहीं निकलेंगे, क्योंकि दिस विल टेक टाइम टू गेन पीपल्स कॉन्फिडेंस टू गो टू पब्लिक प्लेसेस वेरी इजीली. नाउ यू मे से दैट कि लोग इतने बाहर जो आ रहे हैं वो क्या है, तो दैट इज़ वेरी स्मॉल नंबर ऑफ पीपल हु आर कमिंग आउट, when which is not the true picture which is going to be after this pandemic is over. Then people are going to be more prone to look for opportunities where they can sit at home and do some job for others. Even the labor which has gone back to their own places, native places, it's very difficult to get back those labors again. Many of them must be thinking that they are safe at their home rather than coming back to where they want to. So be in communication with them as well so that you take care of them. Then one more area there I would like to tell you is that financial habits that you have right now. You need to really look at your financial habits and really start thinking about how this new scenario I do I need to any alter my financial habits? Do I need to really take care of anything that I want that may take care of my finances in future? So these are 5 to 6 areas which I would like you to take care. Write down all these areas after this video is over. Look at where you are and start taking corrective actions, because it's not only government's job to see to it that we are safely back on track after this pandemic is over. We also need to be prepared and go in hand with the government so that we can really take this country back immediately on track. But remember, this is not going to be very easy and this is going to take time. Thanks for watching this video. Please send this video to as many people as you can. And let's meet tomorrow with one more aspect of this pandemic. Thank you.